Good Friday evening, everybody. How are y'all doing? It's the Friday after Thanksgiving. I need something to snack on. I've eaten enough Thanksgiving food. Um, I'm exhausted just from cooking and looking at all that food from yesterday. I hope you all had a God bless, wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank y'all for all the feedback. Excuse me, on my Thanksgiving feast. I had a wonderful, wonderful time for over a week, about a week and a half cooking. So that's behind me now. So I need me a little snack now. So I just want to share this with y'all. This is one of the little snacks that I like to prepare because I'm a snacker. So what I've got here is some walnuts. Let's see. There they are. I buy the shelled walnuts from Sam Club. This is like a 3-pound bag of walnuts that I buy from Sam's Club. And so what I do is just pour them in. This is about 2.5, 3 cups. I just pour them into a pan, spray them with some olive oil, and I'm going to put them into the microwave. I don't know if I ever shared my microwave nuts with y'all. But anyway, this is going to be like a snack mixture just to sit around and snack off of. So I'm going to cook these in the microwave for about 3, maybe 4 minutes. And while they're cooking, I'll be putting the other part of my mixture together. I use sun-dried raisins, dark chocolate morsels here. This Toll House dark chocolate morsels. I'll drizzle a little bit of honey over them when they get halfway done. And some Chex Mix. So hold on, and I'm going to get these into the microwave. This is a good healthy snack as far as I'm concerned. It tastes really, really good. While I'm talking, I'm going to go ahead and put these in the microwave. Okay, got those microwave. The dark chocolate, chocolate's supposed to be good for you, and I love, love, love dark chocolate. So I decided to get some of these Toll House dark chocolate to use in them. And of course, I probably, let's see, this is 12 ounces probably. I haven't looked. I snuck a few out. I think it's 10 ounces. So I'll probably use most of that bag. I'll see once I get them out. I've never used these. I usually just take 2 or 3 dark chocolate candy bars and break them up. So if you don't have these, the dark chocolate candy bars will do. Or if you like milk chocolate, I just happen to like the dark chocolate. It's supposed to be healthier. And I will use a half a cup, about 3/4 of a cup of sun-dried raisins. And I'm going to use some of this Chex Mix. Now what I use is I'll use those little crispy things right there. The little crispins. I love those. I'll just fish some of those out and use it. And I'll do 2 packs of peanuts in there and drizzle it with maybe about 2 tablespoons of honey, and just let all that blend and mix in together. Now you have to let the nuts cool all the way down before you put that chocolate in, otherwise it'll be melted all over. Because I'm sure it'll be okay, but it's not as messy. It's going to be a little bit sticky now from the honey. So when the nuts get about halfway done, drizzle them with a little bit of honey. I think, let's see, they're almost halfway there, because you don't have to do these in the microwave for about a couple of minutes. Oh yeah, they're ready. You can tell the way they smell. I tell you learn what your food smell like at different stages of cooking. Well, when they start smelling a certain way, you'll know if they're done. So, and it's time to stir them up a little bit anyway. It used to be I put butter on it, just drench them in butter. But since I can't have butter no more, y'all, olive oil will do just as well. Or I could use the Smart Start, but I just decided that you can use Smart Start, butter, whatever you want to use. Or you can use nothing at all. They can be just dry roasted. I prefer them with a little bit of oil on them. So I'm just going to take the honey and do it just like so. That's probably not even 2 tablespoons full. You don't need a lot, just enough to. The raisin will give a little sweetness. And the honey will do the same. So I'm going to put these back in the microwave. I think I got another minute or so. And then I'll take them out and cool them down. Okay. I can go ahead and put my peanuts in there too. I buy these little snack pack peanuts because I love them. So do the kids. But this is just something, it's you know, peanuts are high in protein. So they're good for you. And I don't put a lot of peanuts in there. Just enough to help it along the way. So we're going to go ahead and pop these back into the oven. And get them out and then let them cool off and put our other ingredients in. So back to the microwave. Okay. Okay, the nuts are just about done. They got about a few more seconds. I'm going to take them out and let them cool down for about 10 minutes. And I'll pop the other ingredients in. I can't wait. I love to snack on these things. I love these things. But like I say, they're great to snack on anytime, you know, in the morning. I always eat a few after I eat breakfast. In the afternoon, I'll eat me a few. And sometimes, you know how you get up and come up in the kitchen sometimes at night, you didn't eat quite enough and you feel you got that little feeling in your stomach like you want to eat. They're good. So, they're ready. Let's get them out of here. Like I said, it'll take a good 10 minutes for them to cool down. So we can go ahead and put the chocolate morsels in there. This smells so good. And what this does is, and I've used about 4 minutes to get these done, depending on how many nuts you use. That microwave can get some nice and crispy like they've been baked in the oven. So hold on, we'll be right back. I went ahead and put my wheat Chex in there too. I'm gonna let them just be in there. This is about a cup. This 1 cup full. Oh, I'm looking at House of Cards, y'all. Anyway, I'll be right back. I drizzled just about another teaspoon of honey. So those wheat Chex will get that honey on. Okay. We'll let them cool down now. Okay, y'all. Everything's all cooled down. I got my wheat Chex and my nuts in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some raisins. Stir those raisins around in there. Well, they'll get stuck together, you know, because they were hot with the I usually get stuck like that. They are. Anyway, you know I got honey in there, so they're bound to stick to the pan. So not to worry, just take it and lift and loosen just like that. And y'all know that's gonna be yummy. And let's see, I'm not sure about in proportion to the rest of my ingredients. This is just for measurements. Yeah, this is 2 cups. Well, 10 ounces, it is 2 cups. And voila. I don't think I'm going to need all the morsels in there. I'll just leave some because Rick loves chocolate, so he'll get a kick out of just these little chocolate morsels. There we are. I'll put just a few more in there. So, there we are. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put them in one of my little plastic containers, and these are just good. It's right on time for the holidays. You can make little gift containers out of these. That's what Tansy suggested. Just make a little gift containers out of that. So there it is. say, these just make the best little snack. All done. This is my walnut dark chocolate snack. You probably got all these ingredients already laying around. If not, run out and purchase them and make you a nice little homemade snack. Now, if you buy your stuff already mixed in the store somewhere, you pay a pretty good amount of money for it. But making it yourself is so inexpensive. You can make these and share them with family and friends or whatever. Y'all excuse me chewing. That's why I don't like to chew on camera, because I get to chewing and forget I'm supposed to be talking. But anyway, these are all done. Just wanted to share that little tidbit with you. I'm going to find me a container. So hold on. Okay, I always have one of these sitting around somewhere. So this is what I'm going to use. And you can, make sure when you open the closing, you put the lid back on nice and tight. And there we are. Of course I dropped it on the floor. Why not? Oh, thank the Lord, I didn't waste it. Okay, another good thing you can do with this is once you get that lid on there, you take it and shake them up so you can get it mixed all up real good. See that? It's a nice mixture. Okay. So, there's another little something quick and easy to do, to have, because like I say, I'm a snacker. We all like sweets, and the amount of honey on there is just so minuscule, it won't even matter. And then all the other ingredients mixed up, the raisins and whatever. I think it's a nice little snack. So, go ahead and give it a try and tell me what you think about it. You'll have everybody running to your house for a snack, I tell you that. So, listen, y'all. Didn't cook anything else today, obviously. Cooked so much yesterday, or for yesterday. I wasn't dare going to cook again today. We had leftovers. I'm sure y'all had plenty of leftovers. So I may cook again on Sunday. Not even going to cook tomorrow, y'all. So, until I decide to cook again, listen, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your prayers. Just thank you for everything. Especially when you support, click subscribe, thumbs up. As far as my channel is concerned. And just keep me uplifted in prayer. Of course, I'm still healing, still doing well. Still trying to behave myself. I did a lot of cooking for the holiday, but I tell you, I did it over 1 week, a little over a week and a half time frame. Didn't do all the cooking all at one time. So I'm trying to stay healthy and share everything that I can with you, because I so much enjoy. And people always say, thank you for sharing. And I tell you, I genuinely enjoy sharing. That's one of my favorite things in the world to do, is to share with others. I've always been that way since childhood. And I thank God that it's something that has remained an intricate part of my life. So, just wanted to come share this little morsel with you guys. Hope y'all continue to have a God bless Thanksgiving weekend. Hope if you got company, enjoy your family and friends, or rest, relax, whatever you're doing. And just stay tuned to the channel. And we'll be back probably on Sunday with a meal. I don't know. I might think of something tomorrow, but for sure on Sunday, we'll have a light meal on Sunday. So until I decide to cook again or find something to talk about, y'all, just want to say again, I love you, appreciate you, and look forward always to talking and sharing with you. So until I decide to cook again, love you. Keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Continue to pray for one another and try to reconcile any differences that you may have with friends or family members. And just pray for people in general, because like we always say, there's always something to pray for. Just pray without ceasing. And I am going to sign off now. Thank you guys. Love you guys. Toodaloo.